which means you are fighting, but you are also considering the life of God as the way of God. You don't fight to the extent that the power of God will leave you. You don't fight to the extent that the Spirit of God will leave you. You don't fight to the extent that you will lose your peace and your joy. So I said, let nothing take away your joy. For I came that you may have it, and in fact you have to increase in it abundantly. So little joy is not enough. Abundance of joy. And in His presence is not half joy, is not quarter joy, is fullness of joy. Fullness of joy, which means there are some things that you need abundance of it to become who you are to be like. And number one is the Spirit of God.